Elizabeth line. I decided to pick up the Elizabeth line at Canary Wharf. I come from Lewisham. Here we are. First time on the Elizabeth line, Canary Wharf. Anyway, here I go in the escalators. I've been told it's quite deep down. Yeah, remember lads, if you're a bus driver, you're free on this train. This is like part of the TfL network. It's nice. So we have Elizabeth line. Let's find it. So it starts, well, Abbey Wood is the furthest east, but also there's another, it splits off. It goes to this place called Shenfield, which is much further up. You go look at that. And then, but I'm actually starting at, you can actually get it at West India's Kia, West India. I'm getting it at Canary Wharf. Then I'm going to travel all the way, going up to Heathrow. I need to be getting the one that goes towards Heathrow Terminal 5. See it now. One Abbey Wood. That's the next stop. I'm going on this. That side is Abbey Wood. But I'm going over this side. I'm going towards Paddington. I'm not stopping at Bond Street. Okay. The next train. I need the one that's going. Hopefully, not to Paddington. Unless I need to change maybe. Okay, to get to Heathrow from here, I need to get to Paddington and then change on a platform, get to platform 11, 12 and 14, which is National Rail platforms. Pick up a train from there down to Heathrow. That's how it's going to be operating. So I love the colours, man. The purple and the white. Nice. Yeah, my first time on
every Sunday until autumn 2022, there will be no Elizabeth line services between Paddington and Abbey Wood. Please use the London Underground DLR.
Train just goes completely through. Not even no doors, like, you know.
This is the train to Paddington.
I went from Canary Wharf to Whitechapel in no
Next
time.
station, Liverpool Street.
I haven't been to Paddington in centuries, so I need to follow the line to Heathrow. So it says now follow this side outside, so we actually go out. Going to Paddington Station, the main line station, and the actual Elizabeth line should continue from here. So there's a sign, Elizabeth line westbound towards Heathrow and Reading. So we're going to go straight in Paddington Station, but we've got platform 11 is for Heathrow. Must be here. 10. So now, gone through platform 11 and you can see the actual train, which is the Elizabeth line train in the mainline station. Actually running on the mainline station too. Into Terminal 2 on the train, Terminal 2 and 3. Hopefully I can pick up the plane spotting from here. Hatton Cross should be close by. Terminal 2. I'm trying to get to Hatton Cross now. Come to the Underground now. Terminal 2, Underground. That was a great trip from Canary Wharf to Hatton Cross via using the Elizabeth line. Terminal 2, waiting for the train to go to Canary Wharf. I'm going to go obviously via Paddington. Let's go past Paddington first. This is the actual new trains.
Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf.
All around there, the complexity is just off the wall.